Today's show is sponsored by Big Locust Farm Bed and Breakfast. Contact them at 1-812-723-4856 for more information.
Good morning, I'm Audrey, and this is your PHS News Today for Friday, November 9th. NHS will be hosting a book drive. Please donate books you no longer want or need. The donation boxes are located in the junior high hallway, high school hallway, and outside the library. Yearbooks are for sale for $30 in Miss Nichols' room. You can drop off your money for the yearbooks in the office or room 115. If you have any questions, please contact Miss Nichols. Already thinking about lunch? Check out what the cafeteria is serving up today. Don't forget about the pep session today. Check out this video. Help make a child's Christmas wonderful. Bring small toys, shoe boxes, school supplies, or hygiene items like washcloths or toothbrushes to Miss Wishart's room by November 16th. And now to Colin with your Rams Sports Report.
Thank you, Audrey. In honor of football advancing to regionals, we are having dress-up days this week. Today is all-out purple and gold. Girls JV and varsity basketball won against Du Bois last night. There will be a fan bus tonight for regionals at Southridge. Sign up in the office. It will be $8 to enter the game. The game starts at 7:30. On Saturday, girls JV and varsity basketball plays Brownstown starting at 6. Come support all your Rams in action this weekend. Back to you, Audrey.
Drama Club will be performing the comedy 30 Reasons Not to Be in a Play Thursday, November 15th through Saturday, November 17th at 7 p.m. in the auditorium. Tickets are $3 for students and $4 for adults. And now to Ian Wilder with your weather report.
So as we go through your day today, and this morning we do have some high chances of rain, and as we head later into your night, some slight chances of rain, but not as serious. So during game time, you could see a little sprinkles, but not too much. For your weather today, we have a high of 52 and a low of 39. Heading into your weekend, temperatures should stay pretty cool. On Saturday, we have a high of 44 and a low of 30. Ending out your weekend on Sunday, we have a high of 48 and a low of 35. Back to you.
I'm here with head varsity football coach Jeremy Lowry to talk about regionals. Coach Lowry, how have you prepared for this game?
Well, you know, this game's no different than any other. Our kids have prepared hard. They got into their scouting reports early this week, and we watched a lot of film, and we just kept to our normal routines. And that's what we've done all year long, and kids have prepared hard. As you can see, my voice is a little gone. So we've been working at it like we always have, and we expect to go out and play very well tonight.
What do you expect from your players tonight?
You know, we expect the excitement and the energy that we've played with all year long, and our kids have done such a great job with, you know, just always having an answer. And that's been the key to our success is we've made adjustments throughout the game, and our kids just seem to have an answer, and they play with that energy and that excitement, and we feel like that's going to carry us through again tonight.
Is there anything else you would like to say?
You know, just how much we appreciate all the support and the encouragement from our school and our staff. And, you know, we're just really looking forward to going out tonight and representing Paoli High School and bringing home a regional championship.
Thank you, Coach Lowry. I'm Audrey, and that's your PHS News Today. Have a fantastic day.